Movie Park Germany is generally overlooked. The competition is very strong with the likes of Phantasialand, Hansa, Heide and of course Europa Park blessing German coaster fans. Last year, Movie Park attempted to put itself back on the map with Star Trek Operation Enterprise, a brand new Mack launch coaster. So how do I feel about this big addition? Here's my review on Star Trek at Movie Park. The ride begins with a forwards, backwards, forwards triple launch. The gimmick made its debut with the Skyrocket 2 models, but I found here the element to be much more convincing. The backwards launch sends you through an exciting twisted spike. This spike delivers a funky mix of airtime and laterals. It is one of the best parts of a layout which focuses on floaty inversions. What surprises me is how enjoyable those inversions are, despite the slow pacing. I presume not everyone would like it, but I found that the rolls delivered really nice hang time. And when you sit towards the back, you get pulled down through the inversions by the front of the train, which is a fun sensation. In the middle of the layout, the overbanked turnaround provides a nice amount of whip, but the tiny bunny hops that follow have to be my favorite moments of the ride. Those little hills look gentle, but they actually contain great pops of ejector airtime in quick succession. There's a wild, out-of-control feeling during that part. It actually reminds me of wooden coasters. It's the perfect way to spice up the overall layout. Scenery-wise, Operation Enterprise is a mixed bag. A coaster with a Star Trek name heightens expectations, and unfortunately this ride was done on a limited budget. There's almost no theming at all during the actual ride experience, and some parts of the queue lines feel a little bit bare too. However, I still enjoy the atmosphere of the coaster. The pre-show, the music certainly helped me get more excited about the ride. I think fans and geeks of the series will be disappointed, but personally I appreciate the scenery effort despite its limitations. To conclude, I think Star Trek Operation Enterprise is a short but sweet ride. It successfully combines graceful inversions with more aggressive elements, such as the backward spikes or the little ejector airtime moments. So, for the final score, Star Trek gets an 8.5 rating. It's a fun ride which feels much more complete than your regular Skyrocket 2 coaster.